Hi guys, welcome to another session of matrix arrangement. Now let's quickly start with the set. There is a family of 6 persons P, Q, R, S, T and U. They are professor, businessman, chartered accountant, lawyer, engineer and doctor, not necessarily in that order. The conditions are as follows. There are two married couples in the family. S, the lawyer, is married to the lady professor. U, the doctor, is the daughter of Q and sister of T. R, the businessman, is the son-in-law of P. The chartered accountant is married to the businessman. T is an unmarried engineer. P is the grandmother of U. So these are the conditions, and based on these conditions, we have to figure out the professions and the relations. So let's quickly start. So S, the lawyer, is married to a lady professor. So S is male and he is obviously married to a lady professor. So what I'll do is I'll try to plot the conditions in a diagrammatical form. U, the doctor, is the daughter of Q and sister of T. So this will be the diagram. We know the profession of U. She is a doctor and she is daughter of Q and sister of T. We don't know the genders of Q and T, so we will keep them as it is. The businessman is the son-in-law of P. So R is son-in-law of P. That means the diagram will be in this way. Chartered accountant is married to the businessman and T is an unmarried engineer. So I can say that this is a chartered accountant. The wife of R is chartered accountant and T is unmarried engineer. P is grandmother of U. Being a grandmother, I can say that P would be in generation 1. So I can say that S and P are married and there's one more married couple. So in all, there are two married couples. So U is child of R. Now what I'll do is I'll try to do hit and trial and try to connect the diagrams. So as you saw, P is grandmother of U and P's daughter is married to R. So if I connect P with the first diagram and if I connect the second diagram, that is Q's diagram with R, I'll get some idea that whose profession is whose and the genders also. This is purely by doing hit and trial. Now we will check how many people are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, the family was of 6 people and there are 6 people in this. Now, if instead of taking P as wife of S, what if we would have take Q as wife of S? See, over here there would be mistake if we might take the condition. Now, if we take Q as wife of S, will P be grandmother of U? No, right? We can't fit in P as grandmother of U. So Q married to S is not possible. Now, if it's not possible, so let's try to take the next possibility, that is P married to S. And if we take this possibility, that is P married to S, and if I connect Q to R, so I can definitely say that P is grandmother of U. And hence, we got the family tree and also their professions. But the gender of T is not known. The gender of T is not known. So we will keep T as it is. Moving to the questions. Who is the professor? P is the professor. So option 1. How is T related to you? Cannot be determined because we don't know the gender of T. Hence, cannot be determined will be the answer. Which of the following is the profession of Q? So Q is a chartered accountant. Hence, option 2. How is S related to T? Do we know the gender of S? Yes. So S is grandfather of T. Option 3. Which of the following is one of the couples? So PR. Is PR a couple? No. QT? No. SQ? No. PS? Yes. Hence option 4 is the correct answer.